Join me and my colleagues as we explore Latin legal maxims and their meanings. Follow along as we translate and discuss these essential phrases. Let's learn together. Hi, Jisom.
Hi.
Can you translate Nemo that quod non habet in English and explain what it means?
Nemo that quod non habet is translated as no one gives what they don't have, meaning you can't transfer ownership of something you do not own.
Thank you. Hi, Epsiba.
Hello.
Can you help us understand ignorantia juris non excusat? What does it mean in practice?
Ignorantia juris non excusat translates to ignorance of the law is no excuse. It means not knowing the law is no defense for breaking it.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Mrs. Ore.
Good afternoon.
Can you help us unpack the meaning behind Rev Issa Lopito? How does it relate to negligence?
Ipsa operator simply means the fact speaks for itself, which means that an action on the face of it is obviously negligent and no further explanation will be required to prove the act of negligence.
Thank you. Break down ex nihilo nihil fit.
Ex nihilo nihil fit is translated as you can't place something on nothing and expect it to stand. Meaning there must be a valid basis for there to be any legal claim or obligation.
Thank you. Epsiba,
Hello.
translate volenti non fit injuria. What does it mean in law?
Volenti non fit injuria translates to a willing person, no injury is done. It means when someone consents to a risk, you can't later claim injury.
Thank you. High praise. Can you please translate mens rea and actus reus?
Actus reus is duty act. It means the presence of the court action is required to establish criminal liability. If we're talking of mens rea, it means duty mind, and is the present state of mind or intention is also used to establish criminal liability.
What does caveat emptor mean?
Caveat emptor is translated as let the buyer beware, meaning that as a buyer you have the responsibility to inspect the goods before buying them.
Thank you. Translate the Latin maxim habeas corpus and how does it protect individual rights?
Habeas corpus means produce the body, and it is a court order given to a detaining authority to produce the accused person before the court to answer for his charges or offense.
Thank you. That's not all. There are others like quid plantator, solo said it. Translate in English is whatever that is planted in the soil belongs to the soil. What does this mean ordinarily? It means that anything that is attached to the land becomes part of the land. Let's say building, crops, it becomes part of the land and is subject to the same ownership. So who owns the land owns what is affixed in it. There is another one, novus actus intervenint, meaning a new act intervenes. That is what it means in English. So what does this mean explaining it? It means that an intervening event can break the chain of causation between an act and its consequences. And then there is stare decisis. Translate in English is stand by things decided. What does this mean? This is saying that when there is an established precedent, courts should adhere to follow it. Thank you. So that's all. I hope this is useful. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more.